All right, guys, so I've got this fall not Christmas tree, but fall tree decor, and it comes in the box like this, kind of squished together, so you have to kind of unfold it and twist it the way that you want, and then once you do so, you'll have something like this. Of course, you can twist it in various ways. If you want to twist it a different way, you can certainly do that. It also turns on and off. It does take some batteries, so you'll need to put some batteries in there. It takes 3 AA's. Once you put those in, though, you can turn it on and off via this switch right here. And there's a timer as well. So there's an off, on, and a timer. That way you don't waste your batteries all night. Turning it on, you have some lights that light up. So if you want a fall decor tree that lights up, adds a little bit of flair to your home that you can kind of mold in various ways. You might want to check this out. If you kind of look closer, there are some acorns on the tree. And once again, those are moldable, so you can put those how you want them to go. And also some flowers that light up as well. And of course, the fall orange leaves. This is kind of like a brown tape that holds it all together, that circles around the tree and holds it all together. And each of these branches, like I said, are kind of like wires that you can twist and turn however you want. So it stands up on its own really well. But yeah, I think it's a nice fall decor. Hope that helps. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.